Now, as you can see, the Type R is super dirty, and it's been 3 days or 2 days after it snowed. The only thing that's clean on this car is the roof. Everything else is just dirty. Man. Even this. Look at that. Whew. Floor mats are dirty. Yep, this is the winter season. And you might be thinking to yourself, why in the world would I be taking a Type R in the snow? Well, I'm an idiot. This is for testing purposes only. I don't take my Type R in the snow daily. I don't daily this car. I only drive it when, if, for example, my wife wants to use the white car, so I am forced to drive the Type R. This is the dirtiest that this car has been since ownership. And like every time I look at the car, it's like, it's bothering me how dirty the car is. But obviously I can't wash it, because if I spray water on it, then the whole thing would just instantly freeze, and you know, I don't want that to happen, causing further damage on the vehicle. But at least with the salt, it gives me some sort of barrier, whatever ice or rocks that hit my car as I'm driving down the road. So I guess that's a plus. But yeah, there's nothing that I can do to wash this car. So this is after the wash. It's obviously not the best wash, but today I had to take my car out of self-wash because my hose at home was frozen. But any wash is better than no wash. So here's an example of what this product could do. Now, I don't advise you doing this on your paint, since this car is wrapped. I wrapped it myself. So I don't really mind, because I will be changing this out, or I'd be removing this soon. Either way, this wrap is going to come off the car in the upcoming future. So what I see people doing is they would spray their hood with this product or any sort of cleaning product, and then they'd wipe it, which is a big no-no. I don't advise you guys doing that. But with just one spray, it left the wrap nice and silky smooth. It gave it the slippery feeling, just like you would get with the graphene spray. But this product is, you know, from Shine Armor, waterless wash, shine and protect. Now I do suggest doing this after you wash your car. I don't advise you doing this on your dirty paint, or if you didn't wash your car yet. So this is not an alternative to, you know, not getting your car washed. But anyways, it did leave a really slippery feel to it, so that's really cool. Again, I don't recommend doing this on bare paint with the car dirty. I recommend doing this after your car wash. That way it'll give the car an extra layer of protection, because the water will bead off of this product. It has like a hydrophobic coating, so that anything that falls on your paint would just like come right down. This side obviously is the dirty side, and then this side is the one that we wiped it with the Shine Armor product. It works pretty well. I just have to buff this off a little bit. If you don't buff it off, it will leave a little bit of streak marks. So it's important for you guys to, after you spray it, make sure you buff it off a little bit. Pretty cool. Moving on to the next product. So in this test, I have the Shine Armor Nano Glass coating, and I have Rain-X rain repellent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be spraying the Nano Glass coating from Shine Armor on the driver's side, and then the Rain-X on the rear, so that we'll see if there's a difference, which product is better. So you're gonna want to spray this after you get a car wash, or if your windows are fairly clean. So we're just gonna spray an even amount all throughout the window. So that's pretty much good right there. Then take my towel and I'm just gonna wipe. Just wipe it like this. So once product is spread all around the window, take another microfiber towel, make sure it's nice and clean, and then we're just gonna buff it out. I don't see any streaks at all. Even if we go over here, nice and clean. Doesn't feel any different. So we're gonna go on. Now let's apply the Rain-X here. What I like about the Rain-X is that it foams up. Well, once the liquid comes out. Normally this would just foam up on your window, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put some of the microfiber towel, because for some reason this isn't working. Take a clean, dry microfiber towel and we're gonna wipe. The Rain-X also doesn't leave a stain or any streaks from what it looks like. So no streaks on the Rain-X. No streaks on the Shine Armor. Is there a difference in feeling? The Rain-X seems a little bit more smoother, but they kind of feel the same, honestly. But like I said, we're gonna wait till the morning or the next day when it starts raining, and then we should see the difference between the two. How well the two products will repel water off the window. Alright guys, so here is the result. As you can see, they are both repelling water. If you remember, this is the side with the Shine Armor, while this is the side with the Rain-X, and they're both doing an equal amount of water repelling. By the way, it is freezing rain, so all of this is just ice. It's crazy. Wow. Alright guys, here is the hose test. Honestly, I feel like the Shine Armor is doing a better job. Because if we go, look at this. Because you see how in the Shine Armor it's a lot clearer? The Rain-X is not as beady as the Shine Armors. Because on the Shine Armor it vanishes instantly. Whereas on the Rain-X, it kind of just stays there a little bit. Both are still doing a good job though, but the Shine Armor one is doing a much better job in my opinion. Amazing. Next, we're gonna do an air test. So I have my little leaf blower with me, and we're just gonna blow the car off with air, see how well the water beads. So one thing that I noticed, so the Rain-X still has like little tiny raindrops on them, whereas the Shine Armor, 90% of the water is completely gone. And I'm not just saying that because they're sponsors, but like if you look closely, I gave him the same amount of air, but on the Rain-X, it still has like these water droplets on them. So as you can see, there's really not much water droplets on the Shine Armor. This is the anti-fog hero from Shine Armor. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply this half of the windshield with the anti-fog. So this turtle is the middle pretty much. So this side is without, and then this side is with. I have my boiling hot water right here, and I'm just gonna release the bubbles, or the steam. There we go. But you guys get the point. This side, there's no fog whatsoever, while on this side, hopefully you guys can see, there's some fog building up. Anyways guys, if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you guys think of this video. And if you have any suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making in the future, comment down below, because I really want to know what you guys want me to make in the future. Anyways guys, this is Time FK7. Thank you all for watching. Stay warm, stay safe, and peace out.